improve focus and attention. These seats are perfect solutions for students who tend to be fidgeting in the chair and in the classroom. As you can see, Angela keeps shifting her body around in the chair, so it's hard for her to actually focus, and it can be distracting to other students. So I just wanted to have you try out the wobbly chair and see if it works for you, Angela. Angela, why don't you try reading for a few and see if it works out well. And as you can see too, she's able to be less noisy and less distracting while she's reading, to be able to focus, and that way other students can continue to do their work in the classroom.